Most people think making an apartment look luxurious means buying expensive furniture or spending thousands on renovations. It doesn't. The apartments that feel the most elevated usually have one thing in common: they're incredibly intentional. Every piece earns its place, and just as importantly, certain things simply don't make the cut. If your apartment still feels more basic rental than high-end home, chances are one or more of these seven things is holding it back. The good news is they're all surprisingly easy to fix. Let's start with one of the biggest offenders. 1. Harsh overhead lighting. Luxury apartments almost never rely on a single ceiling light to do all the work. One bright fixture in the middle of the room flattens everything. It washes out texture, creates harsh shadows, and makes even beautiful furniture feel less inviting. Instead, luxury spaces layer light: a floor lamp in one corner, a table lamp beside the sofa, maybe a warm picture light over artwork, or a subtle LED strip tucked behind a console. The room suddenly has depth instead of glare. If you only change one thing after watching this video, make it your lighting. Few upgrades have a bigger impact for less effort. 2. Tiny rugs floating in the middle of the room. A rug that's only big enough to fit under the coffee table is one of the fastest ways to make an apartment feel unfinished. Luxury apartments almost always use rugs that connect the furniture together. At minimum, the front legs of your sofa and chairs should sit on the rug. That larger footprint grounds the room and makes everything feel like it belongs together. Ironically, a bigger rug often makes a small apartment feel larger because it creates one cohesive seating area instead of several disconnected pieces. The next mistake has nothing to do with furniture, but once you notice it, you'll see it in almost every apartment that feels expensive. 3. Visible clutter. Luxury apartments aren't magically clutter-free because someone cleans all day. They're clutter-free because everyday items have somewhere to disappear. Mail isn't piled on the counter. Chargers aren't draped across the coffee table. Power cords aren't snaking across the floor or hanging down from the TV. Water bottles, shopping bags, pet supplies, and random odds and ends aren't left in plain sight. Decorative trays, baskets, storage ottomans, cable management boxes, and cord sleeves quietly do the heavy lifting. The goal isn't perfection, it's reducing visual noise so your eye notices the room instead of the stuff inside it. A few simple upgrades like adhesive cord raceways, cable boxes, and neatly routed charging cables can instantly make your apartment feel more intentional and polished. 4. Cheap, short curtains. Nothing makes a room feel shorter quite like curtains that stop halfway down the wall. Luxury apartments almost always hang curtains close to the ceiling and let them extend all the way to the floor. That simple change makes the windows appear larger and the ceilings taller, even if nothing else changes. It's one of those designer tricks that completely changes the proportions of a room without touching the walls. 5. Tiny artwork scattered everywhere. Blank walls don't look luxurious, but neither do 6 tiny frames randomly spread across a giant wall. Luxury apartments usually choose fewer pieces with more visual impact. One oversized print above the sofa often looks far more sophisticated than an entire gallery wall of small, unrelated artwork. When the scale matches the room, everything feels intentional instead of improvised. This next one surprises people because most of us were taught to do exactly the opposite. 6. Furniture pushed tight against every wall. It seems logical. Push everything to the edges, and the room should feel bigger. In reality, it often makes the space feel flat. Luxury apartments frequently pull furniture a few inches away from the wall whenever the layout allows. Even a small amount of breathing room creates depth and gives the arrangement a more thoughtful, custom feel. Of course, every apartment is different, and if you're working with a very tight layout, this won't always be possible. But if you have the space, try it. It's a surprisingly effective trick. 7. Every surface covered with decor. Luxury apartments don't feel expensive because they have more decorations. They feel expensive because they're edited. The coffee table isn't covered with 10 different objects. The kitchen counters aren't packed with appliances. The bathroom vanity isn't overflowing with skincare bottles. The nightstand isn't buried under chargers, receipts, and miscellaneous clutter. Instead, each surface has room to breathe, a decorative tray with a candle, a small stack of beautiful books, a vase with fresh greenery. That's often enough. And negative space is part of good design. It gives your favorite pieces room to stand out instead of competing for attention. The result feels calmer, more intentional, and much more luxurious. Bringing it all together. Luxury isn't about filling a room, it's about editing one. When you remove the things that make a space feel busy, undersized, or temporary, everything that's left immediately looks more expensive. So before you buy another throw pillow or decorative accessory, take one slow walk through your apartment and ask yourself one simple question. If a luxury apartment wouldn't have this, why do I? You may find that removing just a few things transforms your space more than buying something new ever could. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Lvely Living for more renter-friendly apartment upgrades, practical styling tips, and simple design ideas that make your home feel like a 5-star hotel without breaking your lease or your budget.